Polish AB 3000 net plus Italian Social Security to embark 1413. If you are a Polish immigrant, correct me if I'm wrong, you can write below in the comments. But you have a pension if you are an immigrant, if you pay 1,100 euros plus some other 50 of sanitary assistance. Yes, and there is no unemployment. So if you apply in Candina, you get 3,000 euros plus Social Security of the ship owner, Italian flag, Italian ships. We have 22 Roros and 55 Ropax. So it is a huge option for you to apply because here we have Social Security. Now, if you are an immigrant, like, subscribe, pass through all the maritime schools in Candina, in Poland, because it's a huge competitive advantage. We have sanitary assistance, we have a pension. Now, Italian flag, this is 3,000 euros net, AB 24 certified or AB 25 certified, and then you have included the Social Security from Italy. Now, once you start in the company, you will get later stability and the continuous employment. If that is the case, also you have a competitive advantage apart from sanitary assistance and the pension. In Italy, there is unemployment benefits. So, approx it is 24 months for 24 months. Apply in Candina, like and subscribe. This video is for you, for the Polish grade. Number 1, ratings ABs, because it's a huge competitive advantage to have European Social Security sailing ships, huge, 37,000 tons and 67,000 tons the passenger ships. Now we need something like 500 ABs. Apply urgently, no English required. Please, we will put subtitles in the Polish and we will give you ship owner format of the CV, crew inspector below Candina format, also the codice fiscale, how to get the Social Security or the ID number in Italy so you can be employed. You have a collective bargaining agreement of 150 pages in Italian, and then also you will get the Italian basic language so you can study. We need about some 500 ABs, 2, 4, 2, 5 Polish, and it's a huge competitive advantage because if you want to get the highest pension in Poland, it's 1,100 euros approx, correct me if wrong. In Spain is 700, in Latvia also is 500, Romania 7, and so on. So it's a huge competitive advantage to be fully covered with the Social Security. Thank you, bye.